September 5. Oh, sige. Na.
Mm.
September 5, 2012. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mama Minda. I will dedicate my success to you and to Papa. I want you to be very happy and I want you to be proud of me. I will help you and I will not disappoint you this time. I will work hard like you do. You are always in my heart and I will always remember you. Dear Mama Minda, please be more stronger like you. Always do I understand how you feel, Mama. I will prove to them, Mama, that one day
I will prove to them.
magiging
I will prove
mayaman.
to them.
I will prove to them, Mama, that one day magiging mayaman ako at tutulungan ko kayo. I have many plans for our family. Kaunting tiis na lang at giginhawa din ang buhay natin. In the right time, Mama, mararating ko rin lahat ng pangarap ninyo ni Papa para sa akin. Magsisikap ako, Mama, Papa, magsisikap ako, Mama, para kang Darle at para sa mga kapatid ko. Mama, thank you for helping me again in my review financially. Because of your help, Mama, I become a nurse. Salamat, Mama, for always praying for me. Gusto kong maging isang dialysis nurse, Mama, para matulungan ko si Papa. Yan kasi ang pangarap ko. Kasi pag may naipon na ako, magtatayo ako ng dialysis center in the future. Tabangi ko og ampo, Mama, ma-realize na nako tanan akong plano para sa atong tanan. God bless you, Mama and Papa. I love you all. Thank you so much for guiding me and protecting me. Kuan pa ni 2012 ba ni Joel? Sige pa kog pa-check up ni Papa ni mo ani sa ospital.